Here is a demonstration on our Transcribe for Me AI transcription web app. Here I have our services. We have an AI transcription web app. Here I'll log into the free trial. Here we have options to record, create video files, create speech-to-text files, as well as upload voice files. I'll click on record and create a voice file. Here we have the timer 2, 3, 4. We have options to overwrite or insert. I'll click on stop. We have rewind. We have play. I'll pause it. We have the ability to insert and overwrite. We also can download the voice file or upload to cloud. If I click on upload to cloud, I can create a file name. I can convert that file to English as well as French. We also have a video option. We can create video files as well as have the video files convert to text. We also have a speech to text option wherein you can create live speech to text files. Let's look at that voice file we created. I'll refresh it to see if we can push it. Here we have a convert to text. So this is the file time. This is the date. This is the name. I can change the name. I can download the voice file to my computer. I can convert the text. Let's see what it looks like. So here we have create a voice file. Here we have the timer 2, 3, 4 options to overwrite or insert. I'll click on. Look at the translation. So again in French. And here we would have the video files populate. Here we would have the speech to text files populate. Here we also have a player. What I can do is convert the text, copy the text, and I can paste it into the editor here. If I click on play, I can paste it and I can hear the volume at the same time and do the correction. I have keyboard hotkeys, or you can find our Transcribe for Me USB foot pedal on our website. Otherwise, we have on the keyboard hotkeys. So if I press on Alt and Windows key on the keyboard, I have play. If I press it again, it pauses. I also have Control Windows key to rewind. So if I play this, I'll let it go to the timer 3, 4, and I can rewind. I also have an option to fast forward using Shift and Control. We can fast forward through the file. Rewind, play. So here you can do quick editing of the voice files. You can download the text file or you can save the file and come back to it. We have upload. Upload, you can upload voice files from your WAV digital recorder or even a stereo PCM recorder. Here I'll click on open. Here I can choose the name, test V, and again I can convert it to any language. And we'll have the files populate right here. So here we go. And we'll wait for it to process, and we can always refresh the screen to push it to get the conversion quicker. And if you have any questions, please let me know. We're here to help. transcribeforme.ca. Thank you.